I'll listen to your music. I'll help you in any way.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
In
You're
any way
welcome, man.
possible.
You're welcome. I love to play here.
You know what's up? I've already paid you that.
Oh my God!
But no,
No,
I have to. No,
nothing, man.
I'm so.
You know,
I see. The thing is,
your words,
yeah.
your sound, and
Peace. Any way possible.
I can tell you, your body is carrying wonderful soul. There is a wonderful soul inside your body. Our voice, the texture of voice, it tells a lot. And one day, I'm sure you are still quite young, but one day you will do something.
There are people who get a chance to do work and get a lot of money, but they will never be remembered. But it's people like you who will be remembered. And it's the job of people like us to showcase it to the world.
My God.
Who is a real hero. I want to be you.
Oh my God.
I want to be you, a person like you,
Om Shanti Sagar.
Monindra Sagar.
Monindra Sagar. And nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir. I'm glad heroes like you are here.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I'll see you again. I'll see you again.
Yeah, sure. Most welcome.
That is Ashwin. Hi. He's a musician actually.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
আমাকে ডাইরেক্টলি ফোন করে জিজ্ঞেস করতে না তোমাকে আমি ভিডিও কল করব
Hi, sir. I was listening to you, or I have never heard such a. I mean, it's hard to say. It's so profound what you're playing, and so unique. I've never done this. Never done this before. Oh my God! But for the first time, I mean, it felt like it's soul touching.
Soul touching.
Like you've written.
Yeah.
Follow soul.
Yeah.
It's only.
Yes.
So for how long have you been doing this?
Since my childhood.
Oh my God. And this has been your. What's your name, sir?
Monindra.
My name is Shresh.
Nice to meet you.
I wanted to document something which is real.
Yeah.
Nothing that is done for people,
Yeah.
Just to showcase.
Yeah.
And you're doing exactly that. Like you're an inspiration
Thank you.
for people like
Oh my
me.
God. Oh my God. Thank you so much.
I'm not even joking.
Yeah, like I'm first of all conveying some message through my music and through this banner what I have written here.
Right.
It's my inner voice, what I have written here.
Right. Showcase this.
Because it does the importance of family, the power of family, feminism,
Right.
So everyone should understand.
Right. And how did you get into, how did you have this mindset toward?
It was because after passing my life long and what I faced in my life, when I realized it, of course, man is powerful, but when he's in the family, when he tries to settle in a family, then the man must understand. The female is soul of family.
Correct.
This is I'm trying to convey through my music.
And I can already see that. So, okay, what will your message be to, let's say, young generation or people?
For a young generation, of course, I would like to say something because what I am observing, they are forgetting our rich culture.
Correct.
Young generation is
Right.
going far away, slowly, every day, they are going far and far from our ancient and the rich culture.
Right.
So this is, I would like to say to this coming generation, young generation, because what we have seen and what they are seeing today, I feel pain inside. They don't know what to eat. They don't know. Even when I was around 45, 50 years old, I never slept before my father's pav dabana. But today's generation, they don't know.
Right.
They don't know. They are going far away from, so it's painful. Then they should be in touch. Of course, there is a technology and the things are developing, but our culture, India's culture is supreme. They should be in touch with it.
Right.
Your good name again?
So Shreyash Pratap Singh. Shreyash.
Shrey, wow, Shrey and Yash both.
Well,
Wow.
yeah.
Wow. So what kind of films you make?
So I've started my journey on YouTube,
Okay.
right? And apart from that, I've done a film as a lead actor.
Okay.
It was sent to International Film Festival, but it flopped.
But
Yeah.
everything.
But right now my mission is to document real life stories.
Yeah.
To connect with people
Yes.
who are
Yes.
to connect and learn.
Yes.
That's
this
the
is my
message.
way. Make films which are telling something to
Exactly. To people.
people.
To change them, to
Yeah,
affect,
right.
to have some sort of an effect in their life.
Yes, exactly.
And that's exactly what you're doing. And so I'm glad that I could find you here because this is a consumerist world. So who has time to pay attention to something like this? But I swear to God, the music that you're playing, it makes them forget everything. No,
It's connecting.
exactly.
Connecting people,
I haven't moved from here since I started hearing you, and I had to meet you. I had to know you. I had to understand you.
Right.
I come here often, and I will be coming here.
Okay.
If you sit here,
Yeah.
I'll be coming here. I'll listen to your music.
I'll-
I'll help you in any
Oh
way.
my God.
In
You're
any way
welcome, man.
possible.
You're welcome.
In any way possible.
And I can tell you,
I want you to listen.
I can tell you, your body is carrying wonderful soul. There is a wonderful soul inside your body. Our voice, the texture of voice, it tells a lot. Even the body language, you are carrying. And one day, I'm sure you are still quite young, but one day you will do something.
Thank you. Thank you so
You will
much.
do something.
Thank you.
Yeah. Self confidence, and I can read it, and you will do something. But still, you are quite young. You have to learn a lot. Find topics, and find dedicated actors. Because after entering into Bollywood, बहुत अंदर जाकर देखा, there is That can come.
Ashwin, take the behind the scenes. हॉरिजॉन्टल वीडियो बंद करके फिर से स्टार्ट कर हॉरिजॉन्टल नहीं उनकी मैं ले रहा हूँ Ashwin, Ashwin, Ashwin. You know, people like you should be the, there are people who get a chance to do work and get a lot of money, but they will never be remembered. But it's people like you who will be remembered, and it's you know, it's the job of people like us
Yeah.
to showcase it to the world.
My God.
Who is our real hero? Who is our real
Like
inspiration?
I'm happy. You know, first of all, what is important? What you are doing, you should be satisfied with
Correct.
your job. And I'm satisfied. I'm happy. Whatever I'm doing here.
I can see that.
Of course, I'm sitting on the street, but I know my music is, you know, making others happy.
Right.
It gives me satisfaction.
Right, sir.
So I love to play here.
You know what's up? But no,
No,
I have to. No,
nothing, man.
I'm so.
Just accept, you know.
No, I see. The thing is,
Your words,
Yeah.
your sound, and
peace.
see, make maybe not.
I will connect with you again, you know. But I'm not doing something that I love, you know. I'm not doing that. I want to be you.
Oh my God.
I want to be you, a person like you, you know.
Om Shanti.
I try my best and I.
You know, think for topic to make it short thing, small thing, right? And I'll be happy if I could be the part of your presentation.
You will be the protagonist in this story. I can already see that happening.
मज़ा आना चाहिए, करेक्टर ऐसा होना चाहिए, एक ओल्डर मैन का, बस then I'll try to do my best.
Definitely, sir. I'll connect with you again, and if I.
Give me, I'm asking you.
Achha, theek hai.
Yeah, because
It is
Munindra Sagar.
Monindra Sadhu.
Munindra Sagar. And
Nice to meet you, sir. I'm glad heroes like you are here.
oh my God.
Yeah, I'll see you again. We'll shoot that. I'll connect with you on call.
Sure.
Anytime, whenever you're free.
Whatever time you want to take to write a story, because it will take time.
It will take
I
time.
know.
Yes.
Because it may take time.
Right.
So whenever it completes or something, you can call me anywhere and you can meet me anytime.
Definitely, sir.
Call you.
I'll see you again.
Yeah, sure. Most welcome.
That is Ashwin. Hi. He's a musician actually.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
7 years on the guitar, 3 years on the violin, and 3 months on the keyboard. I just love music,
You know,
and
music.
I could relate with everything.
Music is so pure, you know. That's why I love music. I want to play. So I wanted a reason to play my music, you know. Then I found it, and I am here.
My message is love people, love music, love God. That's it.
Yeah. Do that. That was wonderful. That was soulful.
That was
Yes.
great.